Hello, my name is Vasco. I'm from Portugal, and it is a great honor and a great pleasure to have been invited to facilitate the next Search Inside Yourself program in Greece in 2019. So I've been a huge fan of Search Inside Yourself since 2011, first as a reader, then as a student, then as a teacher, and now as not only as a teacher but also as a coach and a mentor for the new teachers in training. And one of the things I most love about Search Inside Yourself is the capacity to help people, regular people like you and me, with very simple exercises, very simple tools, to connect with ourselves, to connect with the huge potential that's inside of us, that we can unleash, that we can manage, that we can use the best way possible. And one of the moments I most love about the program is that moment before it starts, where the room is empty, you don't know who is going to come, you feel your kind of stomach and the energy and kind of tension and the stress and that kind of adrenaline building. And using these simple tools that we learn also in Search Inside Yourself, science-based tools, also to be aware of that and to kind of, oh, this is present. My body is kind of preparing to deal with this situation, to deal with this group, to deal with this program, to hold this space. And then the thing that normally always happen is that a group of wonderful human beings come into the room. In the beginning, there is kind of this kind of ice where people don't know how to behave and kind of trying to figure out the social rules of that kind of gathering. But then in the end, and I have an experience of more than 1,000 people, in the end, what I normally see is shiny eyes. Is smiles. And this is true not only for top executives, CEOs, presidents of companies, board, and so on, but also for people that work on lines, in factory lines, people that work directly with the customer, people that really sometimes they are in transition mode. They are not they don't have a job at the moment. They are kind of in transition mode, and they are changing. Or people that are coaches, facilitators, and so on. And what I notice more and more and more, at the core, we are all human. We all have struggles. We all need to deal with stress, time management, conflicts with other human beings. And what people discover in this program is that there are very simple tools, mindfulness tools, that we can use in a very simple way and integrate them in our personal and professional lives, basically to better understand ourselves and to tap into our inner resources, and from that space of being aligned with ourselves and our inner resources, to be able to deliver that into the world, into our action in the world, to really be able to come from a place of alignment with who we are. And more when I think about Search Inside Yourself, I think about an experience. I think about smiles. I think about hugs. I think about people discovering new people, new tools, discovering themselves, and mainly coming out of the program with a sense of empowerment, with a sense of hope, with a sense of, I have much more inside myself that I can use, that I can tap into in a very easy way. So my wish for you is for you to come and to see, as a scientist, for you to come to experience the program with an open mind, an open heart, an open will, and to really experiment the program and to see for yourself and to discover for yourself the wonderful richness we all have inside.